Alex, is that really you?
David, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's you. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with life. How about you? It's been so long.
I know, right? Life just seems to fly by. I've been well, but I've missed our old talks and adventures.
Remember when we used to spend hours talking about our dreams and plans for the future?
Yes, those were some of the best times. We were so full of hope and ambition.
I wonder what our younger selves would think of where we are now.
Probably surprised, but hopefully proud of how far we've come.
It's funny how life takes unexpected turns, isn't it?
Absolutely. I never would have imagined I'd be where I am today.
Me neither. But I guess that's what makes life exciting, right?
Speaking of dreams, have yours changed much since we last spoke?
They have, actually. I used to dream of traveling the world, but now I dream of building a home and starting a family.
That sounds wonderful. I've always dreamed of making a difference in the world, and I'm working towards that every day.
I'm grateful for our friendship, Alex. It's rare to find someone who knows you so well.
I feel the same way, David. You've always been there for me, through thick and thin.
And I always will be. Friends forever, right?
Change can be scary, but it's also necessary for growth.
Agreed. I've learned so much about myself through life's changes.
Same here. I think it's made me a stronger person overall.
Remember when we were younger and we thought we knew everything?
Oh, the arrogance of youth. We've definitely gained some wisdom over the years.
And hopefully a little humility too.
Life has a funny way of throwing curveballs when you least expect it.
So true. But I think it's how we handle those curveballs that defines us.
Absolutely. It's all about resilience and adaptability.
What's one lesson you've learned that you think has shaped who you are today?
That's a tough one. I think learning to let go of things I can't control has been a big one for me. How about you?
For me, it's been learning to embrace vulnerability. It's made me more open and empathetic.
I think our friendship has been a source of strength for both of us, don't you?
Definitely. Knowing that I have someone who understands me has gotten me through some tough times.
Same here. I don't know where I'd be without you, David.
It's amazing how much we've grown since we first met.
It is. I think we've helped each other grow in ways we never could have on our own.
That's the mark of a true friendship, isn't it?
So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Hopefully happy, healthy, and surrounded by loved ones. How about you?
Pretty much the same. Maybe a few more gray hairs, but hopefully still chasing my dreams.
Whatever the future holds, I know we'll always be there for each other.
Absolutely. That's the beauty of our friendship. We've weathered so much together, and I know we can handle whatever comes our way.
It's been so great catching up, Alex. I feel like we've opened a new chapter in our friendship.
Me too, David. Let's make sure to stay in touch this time, okay?
Definitely. Friends forever, remember?
I'm grateful for our friendship, David. You've been a constant in my life, and I appreciate you more than words can say.
Likewise, Alex. You've been my rock, and I'm so thankful to have you in my life.
Here's to many more years of friendship and memories.
Cheers to that, David. To new beginnings and old friends.
Well, I should probably get going, but let's not let another year go by before we catch up again.
Agreed. Until next time, my dear friend, take care of yourself.
You too, Alex. Until next time.